300 meters of sheer vertical rock. China decided to put a highway on it. It starts here, with bare rock, a survey rod, and a plan no one believed was possible. Every fracture in the rock is a problem. The engineers mapped every one. With nowhere to stand and everything at stake, the only way forward was to hang from the top. Every machine, every bolt, every meter of steel had to come down the cliff before a single anchor could be drilled. Each anchor must hold 3 times its working load, or the road cannot be built on that section. Day or night, the drilling never stopped. The mountain gave no ground without a fight. To carve a road shelf from vertical rock, you don't chisel, you calculate, then you blast. Three horn blasts, then silence. Then the mountain moves. Every blasted face is sealed within hours. Exposed rock deteriorates fast at this altitude. Every bracket arm was built to carry the weight of the road and everything that would ever travel on it. Meters of fabricated steel, lowered 300 meters, positioned to within 2 millimeters. The outer edge of that road hangs in open air, 300 meters above nothing. Steel into concrete, concrete into cliff. The road deck begins to take its first real form. Two layers of steel, 12 meters wide, suspended above the gorge before concrete is poured.
Concrete pumped 300 meters straight down a cliff face upon cleaned at 85 bar of pressure. Concrete must be poured before the mountain heat builds. The mix gives you 4 hours, no more.
Behind that screed bar, a road surface is appearing, 12 meters wide, 300 meters in the air.
When the formwork comes down, you see it for the first time to Paces, concrete that belongs to the cliff.
Where the cliff won't allow a road on its face, the road goes through it instead.
Every blast gives back 1.8 meters, 100 blasts to complete one tunnel. The driven rock gets a concrete skin, a bin, smooth, sealed, built to last 100 years. The concrete deck is the structure. The asphalt is the road Kenti, and it must be perfect.
"60 millimeters of asphalt, the last layer between the cliff and every tire that will cross it." A white line on dark asphalt, the final act of geometry on a road built in the sky. Every bolt, every weld, every pour, now subject to the most important question: does it hold?
"160 tons on a road that hangs from a cliff, and the mountain doesn't move a millimeter."
.1 millimeters of deflection. The cliff highway passes. It is certified to open.
The same cliff, the same gorge, the same light. Everything else has changed. Through the mountain, along its face, the road connects what the cliff once made impossible.
One road, one cliff, built by people who looked at impossible frailth and poured concrete anyway.